What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Here we have the Nike Air Jordan 5 Anthracite, which just came out recently. Unfortunately, my box is damaged, which caused me some issues, but that's okay. Some distress, I should say, not really issues. More box damage. Honestly, I feel like they did this on purpose because box damage like this is not usual. Like, that doesn't just happen naturally. Sometimes I feel like they damage my boxes on purpose. I might be paranoid, or I might have some haters. I don't know. Here we have the Nike Air Jordan 5 Anthracite colorway. It's quite nice. It's got 23 right there. Jordan logo on the tongue. There's a lot of 3M in this shoe. It glows in the dark a little bit, becomes all black. Looks very different in the dark. It says Jordan at the bottom. Nice little Jordan logo. This is a great suede material right here. I think it's great quality. This suede is quite nice too. Rest of the shoe is pretty good. I mean, there's not much to say negative. There's not much negative to say about the sneaker. Let's pull out the second of the pair. Now this shoe, this would go on your right foot. For those of you wondering, Jordan 5 Anthracites, these are. Obviously, we're gonna throw them on here in just a second. But before we do that, I just wanna say, if you're looking for a pair of these and you haven't been able to find one yet, check out the affiliate marketing link, the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to find a reasonably priced pair from StockX. And if you're looking for some sick jeans or joggers to rock with the sneakers, definitely check out the Amazon affiliate marketing links in the description. Another thing I want to mention right here is, looks pretty cool right there. Let's shut off the lights for a second and see what happens. So in case you were wondering, here's some B-roll of the 3M on these sneakers. This portion of the shoe, this portion, they all kind of glow in the dark, I guess you can say. Or they're 3M, which is slightly different. You kind of need a flash to get them all shiny. These Jordan 5s look pretty good on foot, I have to say. This right here is the first time I got them on. And I must admit, I find them quite nice looking. They match my jeans pretty well. If you're looking for sick denim like this that stacks up really well with some sneakers, check out the Scotch and Soda denim on Amazon. The link's in the description. It's an affiliate marketing link. Let me toss the second shoe on in just a second. Now aesthetically, these are really nice. Obviously, I'm going to need to hear your opinion on these in the comment section below. I personally find them quite nice looking. As sneakers go, this is a pretty solid shoe with a pretty reasonable colorway. Nothing too flashy about these sneakers. That's a great thing. Nowadays they're throwing out some random colorways. You might not be able to wear them with everything. This is the type of shoe you can wear with a lot. Gonna throw on some black jeans here in just a second and some joggers. Let me know what you think of the different fits. I personally don't mind this one. I think this one will be one of my favorites, to be honest. But I think they'll look pretty solid with some joggers and pretty solid with some black jeans as well. Let me know what you think. For your viewing pleasure, we got some black jeans now. Ultimately, these nudies stack really well. There are affiliate marketing links to check them out on Amazon too. I get a size that's a little bit too long for me, so it stacks like this. Ultimately, this colorway looks fire with the black jeans. Earlier, I was saying that the blue jeans look pretty solid, and they might be my favorite. Now I'm not so certain. I'm starting to think that these black jeans probably look a little bit better with these Anthracite colorway sneakers. Let's check out some dark green joggers that I have that I think might look okay. Now we got the green joggers on. They're kind of gray on camera, but they are a dark green. Not necessarily long enough for you to really tell how they look on camera. I gotta say these are pretty proper. I still think the blue jeans were my favorite after all this. But I gotta say this is a fire colorway shoe. If you need it, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Let's just check it out all nice and nice close up and personal. You can see there's a lot of detailed stitching throughout this shoe. The Jordan logo inside there. All in all, a fire pair of shoes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.